to show you a trick today that you can use to increase your Wi-Fi internet speed. Now this is a trick that my brother Earl showed me, and all you need are some zip ties, some scissors, a glue stick, a little bit of wire, and some chicken fencing. So the first thing that you want to do, hey, there's some money. How did this get here? I wonder if there's enough to buy a Coke. I'm thirsty. What was I just doing?